Are you ready to bring your business idea to life but stuck on the planning part? Don't worry. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 AI business plan generators that will help you turn that big idea into a smart, actionable strategy. From AI-powered content creation to collaborative planning, these tools can simplify the process and get you investor ready. Let's get started. Number 1. Simplified. First up, we have Simplified, a tool that lives up to its name. Known for its content creation capabilities, Simplified also offers AI document writing features that are great for outlining your business plans. Input your business idea, and it generates full-length business proposals, executive summaries, and even marketing plans, all with the tone and structure professionals expect. Key features: AI document writing, generate executive summaries, mission statements, product descriptions, and more with a few prompts. The AI adapts to different tones, like professional, persuasive, or informative. Business plan templates. Start your plan from pre-built AI templates tailored for industries like SaaS, retail, e-commerce, and agencies. Team collaboration. Share your drafts with team members in real time. Comment, edit, and brainstorm directly within the platform. Multilingual support. Create business plans in over 25 languages, ideal for global startups. Number 2. Writecream. Next is Writecream, another powerful AI tool, and while it's mostly known for cold emails and ad copy, it's also great for pitching and presenting your business idea. With its instant pitch and script generation features, you can create a compelling elevator pitch or executive summary in minutes, perfect for investors or presentations. Key features: Business pitch generator. Instantly create concise and persuasive business pitches, ideal for presentations and investor meetings. AI script writing. Generate video scripts, podcast outlines, or promotional content for your business. Plan presentations. Content personalization. Use personalized tone and targeted writing based on audience, investors, partners, internal teams. Voice and audio generator. Turn your business pitch into voiceovers or audio files to enhance multimedia. Presentations. Number 3. Taskade. Coming in strong. Is Taskade a productivity and collaboration powerhouse? While not a traditional business plan generator, its AI workflow templates and project planning tools are ideal for building and managing business models. You can start with a business plan template, brainstorm with your team in real time, and even use AI to break your goals into actionable steps. Key features: AI business plan templates. Use built-in templates like Lean Business Model Canvas, Startup Business Plan, or Go-to-Market Strategy. AI-powered workflow generator. Automatically turn your goals into action plans with tasks, subtasks, and deadlines. Real-time collaboration. Team members can co-edit, comment, and brainstorm within the same project document simultaneously. Number 4. Plannit AI. If you're looking for instant tailored business plans, Plannit AI is your go-to tool. It's built exclusively for generating complete business plans using AI. You just enter your business type and a few details, and boom. Plannit creates a full plan, including financials, marketing strategy, operations, and more. Key features: fast and tailored business plans. Enter your business name, industry, and a few details, and get a complete business plan in under 10 minutes. Includes financial projections. Automatically adds projected revenue, cost breakdowns, and financial tables customizable. Industry-specific templates. Plans are tailored to your industry, for example, coffee shop, fitness startup, SaaS company. Number 5. WiseBusinessPlans. And finally, we have WiseBusinessPlans. This one blends AI efficiency with real expert guidance. It's perfect if you're serious about applying for funding or pitching to investors. You get access to customizable templates powered by AI, plus the option to work with real business plan writers if you need that human touch. Key features: hybrid AI plus expert service. Use AI-generated templates or upgrade to have a real business plan writer craft your plan. Customizable plan templates. Choose from hundreds of business types, all backed by industry research and trends. In-depth financials includes market analysis, SWOT, competitive landscape, and 3 to 5 year financial forecasting. Investor-ready formatting plans meet the formatting standards of banks, investors, and immigration authorities. So whether you're bootstrapping a startup or pitching to investors, there's a business plan tool here to match your needs and budget. From the simplicity of Plannit AI to the creative power of Simplified and Writecream or the team collaboration of Taskade, you've got options. Which of these tools will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more AI-powered business tools.